Welcome back. I'm gonna be showing you how to get infinite, like a lot of research points in Animal Company. Okay, first, get any bag you want. You can get 2 rockets, but keep one out. Get a thingy. Get a RPG. And then put the RPG in your bag. And I prefer a hook shot so you can move around in there. Come down here. Like this. See the planet world? First try to land on the ground. That's why you need a hook shot so you can move it around. Now get your RPG out and your hook shot. Go to the very top. And I already claimed all mine, but you may get a hook shot. This is how you turn zero gravity on.